You're an idiot.
You can't have me. You can't have me.
Oh, yeah.
You can't zoom in?
No.
Ah.
Oh, shit.
There comes Diego catching up on the left turn. Here they come in speed racing. Here they go. You idiot! I told you I can't mess this thing. It looks funny since you're sagging. You look stupid. Jonathan's going up on the front turn. Diego's catching up. Holy shit, they're gonna crash. There comes Jonathan. He's going. Going straight forward. Diego's catching up.
Next thing he's being hit to my Oh my god!
I had to be far.